Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something we can all use a bit more of: stress relief. And one of the simplest yet most powerful tools? Meditation. Now I know what you're thinking. Meditation? Isn't that just for monks or people with too much free time? Trust me, it's not. Let's break down how it can transform your stress levels. First off, meditation helps you manage stress by calming your mind. When you meditate, you focus on your breath or a mantra, which pulls you away from the chaos of daily life. Imagine just 5 minutes of peace where your racing thoughts hit the brakes. But that's not all. Regular meditation can actually change the structure of your brain. Studies show it increases gray matter in areas associated with emotional regulation and self-control. Meaning, you become better at handling stress. And guess what? Meditation also lowers cortisol levels, the pesky stress hormone that wreaks havoc on your body. Lower cortisol means lower blood pressure, better sleep, and even a stronger immune system. It's like giving your body a mini vacation every day. You might be wondering, how do I start? It's easier than you think. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and just breathe. There are plenty of apps and guided meditations to help if you need it. Start with just a few minutes and build up. Remember, the goal isn't to clear your mind completely. It's about noticing your thoughts and letting them pass without judgment. Over time, you'll notice that you're less reactive and more centered. So if you're looking for a simple, effective way to cut down on stress, give meditation a try. Your mind and body will thank you. Stick around for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. Hit that subscribe button and let's journey to a stress-free life together. Catch you in the next one.